you're tired of booking a makeup artist each time you want to go out, this video is for you. Welcome to part 3, guys. Okay, so I've contoured the nose. So I've done a reverse contour, as you can see. So it's time to complete the eyes, guys. So I mentioned the pencil liner in that video, and this is the Mirror Cosmetics pencil liner. I'm going to use this to line my waterline. Can you see that? You don't have to smoke it out too much, guys. Just keep it in your waterline. This is mascara. I showed you this one, and this is from Zaron Cosmetics. So I'm just going to use this to brush my brow hairs. This will take out all the powder on your lashes. So at this point, guys, you can add false lashes if you want, or you can use just mascara. Before you apply mascara on your waterline, on your under eye, you want to go in with a small brush and take that dark brown shade and then smudge it under your lash line. It makes a whole lot of difference, guys. Can you see the difference now? It's so cute, guys, so always make sure you do this. So any color you use here, you can always use it under your eye. Lashes is optional, guys, but if you like lashes like me, I like me a very dramatic lashes. You can put on a pair like this, and yeah. So it's time to dust this off. This might seem like a lot of tutorial, guys, but trust me, it is not a lot. Once you start doing it, before you know it, you are done. Literally, guys. So dust off this powder. I'm not exactly sweeping everything out. I'm dusting and pressing at the same time, okay? Yeah. So the next thing you want to do is to highlight. I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to use my finger. So put it at the high point of your cheek, then the bridge of your nose, tip of your nose here. Take a very small brush, take that same shade and put in your outer corner, inner corner, sorry, not outer corner. Yeah, like this, just to brighten it up a little bit. Yeah, can you see that? Gorgeous. The reason why I didn't show any lipstick in that video is because I'll be using this my contour palette as lipstick. So I'm taking that very dark shade. I'm going to use it to outline my lip. There are so many style of lips, but I'm going to go with the all over up brown. I don't know what I just said, but just take it like that. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to put it here. Can you see that? And then just to make it look like that makeup artist makeup, take that your concealer just a little bit and tap it in the middle. Can you see that lip, guys? Now this is when you apply that lip gloss I showed you. So just apply it all over. Can you see that, guys? My lips are all set. Now this is the time for the final touch. Second to the final touch, go back into your mascara. No, sorry. Don't do your under eye mascara before setting spray, guys. So always set your face first. So the only thing I didn't show in that video is setting spray, and I forgot. That's why I didn't show it. But you need a setting spray, guys. This is going to tone down all the powder and make your makeup sink in. So you're going to allow this to enter your skin a little bit, okay? Before you go over with your beauty blender and then press it in so everything can sink in. But always make sure you allow it to dry down first, okay? If you go in straight like this, you're going to pick up your makeup. So always allow it to settle down. Push it in like this. I'm barely pressing my face, guys. Just tap it in, okay? Gently. Now you can go in with your mascara. If you want to learn how to apply this mascara without staining your under eyes, please let me know and I'll make a video on that. You can comment that and then I will reply you. I'll tag you in the video. Okay. Now guys, I've applied my mascara. If you want to take your look to the next level, guys, give yourself beauty marks, and I'm going to do it with that eyeliner. Okay, I'm just going to, I have a pimple there and it's very ugly, guys, but watch how I'm going to make it look pretty now. Tell me that's not pretty. You don't have to argue with me, guys. It's fucking pretty now. Wow, I love it. So guys, I added a couple more. It looks cute, guys. You can't tell me nothing. Okay, so guys, I think this is the finished look. I used all the products in that video to achieve this bit. Okay, you were with me. I didn't add any other products, guys. I could still do more. I could still do more. I just wanted to keep it casual and simple. Okay, and this is the final look. For those of you saying it's too much, it's too much, this is not even half of what I use on a regular, but because I improvised, I was able to use just that product to achieve this flawless bit. Who needs a makeup artist? Nobody. I'm a makeup artist, guys. In case you feel lazy, you can still book me. Okay, so yeah, let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. Bye guys.